If you want quick, easy access to Yahoo Mail every time you open Firefox, this video is going to help you set that up in just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll know how to sign in to Yahoo Mail and pin the tab so your inbox stays right at the top of your browser for fast access later. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the Yahoo Mail login page by typing the Yahoo Mail address into the address bar and pressing enter. When the login page loads, enter your Yahoo email address in the first field, then type your password in the password field. Double-check that everything is correct, especially if you use a password manager or have multiple email accounts. After that, click the Sign In button to log into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, you're ready for the next step. This is where the real convenience comes in. Instead of searching for Yahoo Mail every time, you can keep it open and pinned in Firefox. To do that, right-click the tab at the top of the Firefox window. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select Pin Tab. Once you click it, Firefox will shrink the tab and place it in a compact pinned state. That means the tab stays on the left side of the browser and is much harder to close by accident. It also makes your Yahoo Mail inbox just one click away whenever you launch Firefox again. This is especially useful if you check your email often throughout the day. Whether you use Yahoo Mail for personal messages, account alerts, newsletters, or work-related communication, pinning the tab can save time and keep your browser organized. And if you always want your email ready when Firefox starts, you can leave that pin tab open so it loads with your browser. If at any point you want to unpin it later, just right-click the tab again and choose Unpin Tab. That gives you full control whenever you need it. But for most people, keeping Yahoo Mail pinned is a simple and efficient way to stay connected without extra steps. So now you know how to access Yahoo Mail from Firefox and keep it pinned for fast, easy access. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what browser or email guide you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.